Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Shopify's starter plan. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is head on over to Shopify, and then from here you want to click onto pricing. And now Shopify's starter plan is basically the basic plan, which is the most popular in Shopify. I will leave a link in the description below to get you bigger savings than what you see here. So if you click the link below, I'll paste it here like so. You can try out Shopify it's free for 3 days, and then the next month is for $1. So go ahead and put in your email address here, click on start free trial. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, I'm going to click on start free trial. And now this is going to bring me up to the sign up page here. Alright, so we can skip all this if we like, but if you want to fill it out, you can. So I'll quickly fill it out. So let's get started. Which of these best describes you? If you want to do I'm just starting out, where would you like to sell, an online store, you can see all the other options too. Where do you plan to sell first? Products I buy, make, digital products. I'm going to do drop shipping products for this demonstration. And now, where will your business be located? It should automatically choose the correct one, but if it doesn't, just simply click onto it and then choose your country. I'm in Australia, so I'm going to leave it as Australia. And now create a Shopify account. So one last step before starting your free trial. So you sign up with email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. And then once you've done that, so I'm going to go sign up with Google. Once you've done that, click on continue. So now it's going to redirect you to Shopify. Now it's going to build your store. So give that a few moments to build your store. Now it's going to redirect you back to Shopify, and it's going to go straight into your admin. And now from here you want to select a plan to get your first month for $1. So go ahead and click on select plan. And now, so you can choose any one. So basic is your starter plan, and you got your small team plan, you got business scales, and then you got your plus. So you can start all of these for $1 for the first month. Unlike if you just go there directly, you're going to be paying full price from the get-go. And yes, it is an affiliate commission if you do click the link down below, and it does support the channel. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you in the next one.